Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Securian Financial Secure Customer Portal, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type Securian Financial Secure Customer Portal and press enter. Look for the official Securian Financial website in the search results. Once on the page, navigate to the section dedicated to the Secure Customer Portal. Click on the link to access the Secure Customer Portal. You will be directed to the login page. If you do not have an account, look for the option to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information for account setup. Once your account is created, return to the login page. Enter your credentials including your username and password. After logging in, you may want to familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the available features and tools provided in the portal. If you need assistance, check the FAQ section for common inquiries. For mobile access, download the Securian Financial app from your device's App Store. Search for Securian Financial in the App Store. Once found, click on the Install button to download the app. Once installed, open the app and log in with your credentials. You now have mobile access to the Secure Customer Portal. If you encounter any issues, reach out to customer support for assistance. Regularly update your password for added security. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for extra protection. Review your account statements and information regularly. Stay informed about any updates from Securian Financial. This will ensure you are utilizing the Secure Customer Portal to its full potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.